Welcome to the tutorial on how to create this selfie engager. So first of all, let me show you how the participant experience look like based on the sample selfie engager that we have created for you in your sample account. So I'm gonna hit the play button over here. So that's the first page that the participants will see. We call it the welcoming page. Over here, you can outline the guidelines, the instructions on how to proceed step by step and make a selfie. Over here, I can click the start button and we will be redirected to the second page, which is the data collection, data input page, or the user authentication page. So here we need to input the name, the email, and accept the terms and conditions. This is a storytelling page where you can outline any kind of information from the sponsor, from the organizer, or it might be an address note from the keynote speaker. So pretty much everything you want. Then you click the start button and you have the option. You can either take a selfie right away or upload an image from your desktop. So for this case, I will opt to take a selfie. So the camera will take on from here. Okay, looks nice. I click done and your selfie will be interjected into the template that was prepared in advance. So in this case, this is the template where you can have up to 2 keynote speakers, or you can choose what kind of images do you want to upload over here. It can be, I don't know, 2 pictures of a product, or it can be 2 logos. And you can also customize the text over here. So you are preparing the layout in advance, and the images of the participants will be inputted right in the middle over here. So the participants could download this image or send it to their email box, or and then they could opt to click next and check out the special offer from the sponsor or the organizer. So this is a call to action page with the clickable call to action button. And again, you can input any kind of link behind this button. So let me return back to your accounts and show you how to create this kind of experience. Okay, so whenever you want to create a selfie experience, you click create new engager over here. You choose the selfie type of engager. You create the name for your engager and you click save. So after that, you will be redirected to the creator mode and you will see a standard structure of each of our engagers consisting of 5 slides, the welcoming screen, the attendee data or the user authentication page, the storytelling page, the engager task, where you will be asking people to create a selfie or upload the selfie, and the special offer, the call to action page. Again, I remind you that you should go one by one, slide by slide, and populate each slide with the data. You can customize up to 3 logos on the top, the title, the text over here, the image. You can choose if you want to present your engager with the QR code or with the start button in a way like you just saw with the previous example. You can customize the theme of your selfie. We have 4 templated options here: black and white, white and blue, white and red, black and yellow. And you can always customize the theme in a way you want by clicking on the pencil right over here and choosing the precise color that you want to use for the theme of your selfie. You can also have the selfie options right over here. You can allow multiple selfies, or you can just give the only one opportunity for your participants to take a selfie. So if you opt in to allow them to make multiple selfies, you should put the check mark over here. And you can also choose the number of times each participant can take a selfie. Let's say it can be 3, it can be 5, pretty much any number. For the data input page, you can customize it as well. You can opt to show up to 3 data input fields over here. You can make them a required one, or you can leave them as an optional one. And you can also customize the questions that you're asking right here. For the storytelling page, you can switch it off if you don't need it, or you can keep it. And the same for the call to action page. If you don't need it, you can switch it off or switch it on. And you can customize it with the image, the logo, the headline, the text, and the clickable call to action button. So if you want to activate the button and embed certain link into it, you just click on it, you create the label for the button, and you input the link right over here, and you click apply. And I will spend a little bit more time on the Engager task, because here we have four options actually for your selfie. So basically it's the layouts that we have. So first layout that we have, it's called event banner. So as you can see here, you can customize up to 3 logos. You can upload the banner right over here. It can be anything. It can be, let's say, the tile view from your Zoom meeting with all of the faces of the participants right over here, or it can be the banner of the event, or it can be pretty much anything you want. So you can have this nice big picture over here, and the image, the selfie of the participant right over here. So that's how it's gonna look like, the layout. You can put the, let's say, the name of the event. Gamio Summit. You can input the, I don't know, the dates over here, the 2nd and the 3rd of February 2022. So pretty much any content you like, you can put here. And over here on your right, you can choose the theme for this specific layout. So here we have a neutral one. You can choose one of the templated options here, the conference theme, another conference theme, or a funky one, or you can customize the theme in a way you want by clicking on the pencil over here and uploading pretty much any kind of background that you want for this layout. And in the same way, you can choose other types of layouts. So over here, we have the layout where you can have one keynote speaker. Over here, you can upload the image of the speaker, speaker's name, speaker's job title. Again, you can customize the background for this layout. And again, you can customize the headline over here and the second line of text in any kind of way you want. The next layout that we have is the 2 speakers layout. So again, you will have the image, the picture of the attendee right in the middle. And on the both sides of it, you can upload the photos of the keynote speakers, or it can be the photo of the keynote speaker here and the photo of the sponsor over here, the sponsor of this selfie booth activation. Or it can be pretty much anything you want. And again, you can customize up to 2 lines of text over here. And the last but not least, I guess this one is the most popular layout across different selfie booths that are out there on the market. This is a solo layout. So over here, you can have up to 3 logos on top of it, and there will be just the image of the participant right in the middle. And you can, again, customize up to 2 lines of text over here. So once you're done with your choice of the layout that you want to use, let's say you want to keep event banner, and you're done with all of the content for other slides, you click Save, and your Engager will appear on your dashboard on the top of the list right over here. So from this place, you can activate this Engager, you can share it with your audience by generating a link that the audience can use, and you can share this link in a chat. So lots of options after you're done with the preparation of your Engager. So with that, I would like to conclude the tutorial on how to create the selfie Engager, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.